Now, as a YouTuber, you actually don't need expensive cameras or gears just because you want to make videos on YouTube. I've seen a lot of people making excuses and saying they have to get expensive camera or they need to get some lightning or this and that. And because of that, time is going. In this video, I'll be showing you my camera settings, my home settings, how I actually achieve every camera angles you always get to see in my videos. I believe this video you're seeing, I'm actually shooting it with my phone, and you can see a phone in my hand. And I actually don't even use laptops. I actually use my phone. I only use my laptop whenever I want to do teachings. And I will show you how my lighting setup is, how my sitting angle, everything I'm going to be showing you in this video. Meaning by the end of this video, you should be able to shoot your video by yourself without asking for camera or looking for cameraman or pay extra money for cameraman just to come shoot for you in your house. All you just need to do are just little settings and you are done. All right, so let's go. The first thing I do as a YouTuber is to look for the nice place in my house of where I can actually use, because light is very, very important. So I always look for a flower place like this. You can see a place like that, or I always like using a place like this. I always like using here. Now, after you've discovered where you want to use, because we like to use here, here is fine for me. Here is fine. Now, this is my camera stand is ready, and this is my light is ready. Now, I'm going to be telling you mistakes you should avoid. Mistakes you should avoid whenever you're making your video as a YouTuber. Many of you like to use your front camera instead of back camera. You feel like you don't want your hair to cut off, or you don't want to make mistakes just because when you use the front camera you get to see yourself. But I wouldn't advise you to use your front camera. I will always advise you use back camera, and I'm going to be showing you how to position your back camera, because I discovered that when some of you are using your back camera, it looks as if you are looking other way around. But you can see I'm looking at I'm using iPhone 16 and I'm looking at my back camera, and you can see my face is not looking somewhere else. I'm looking straight into the camera, which I'm going to be showing you how you can do that so that you no longer look other way around. So now let's put our light. So the first thing I'm going to do now is we'll put our light. All right, come. Good. So our light is ready. Okay, now this is my light and this is my camera stand. Now, one of the mistakes you should do, I mean, you shouldn't do, one of the mistakes you avoid is, you can see this camera is up. Don't let it down. If it is down like this, if you're looking into the camera, your face will be looking somewhere else. So the camera side should be up, not down. Okay. So now you put it this way. You see, you can get a camera stand like this. You can see how this camera stand is. You can easily bend it. You can see how my camera stand is, right? So you can easily, either you want to shoot on portrait or landscape, irrespective of how you want to shoot. So this is how your camera should go in. Don't forget, here should be up. So your phone go in this way. You can see how it stays. You can see how my camera distance stays. Okay, so now this will now face me. This will face me. You can see. So now one of the things you should do, you can see this is the flower I always I come closer. Now this is the flower. I always use this place to gauge my head. Okay, I always use to gauge my head, because why I use to gauge my head is I don't want, because if my head is too up, there will be a problem. Okay, so now when I keep my camera this way and my light this way, everything looks perfect. Do you understand? Now, another thing, you can see all my doors are closed, and you can see I'm not using mic. All my doors are closed and I'm not using mic, and everything is pretty cool. All right. Now, if you know you have money to buy mic, it's fine. But if you don't have, in my subsequent teaching, I'll be showing you how you can actually record your videos or make your videos without using mic, meaning I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise. All right, so now after you've done the setting, the next thing you need to do is you would like to sit comfortably. All right, you need to sit comfortably. Then if you're a coach like me, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you have your topics beside you. Like, let's assume this is your topic, you put it beside you. Then you list, if you're going to be mentioning like 5 ways to grow on YouTube, you should have written the 5 ways here, so that while you are looking at the camera, you can see, just let's assume I'm looking at the camera, I can easily like do like this without somebody knowing that I'm looking here, and then I will pick another point to talk, So this is how I record my YouTube videos. Very simple, no stress. Okay, I've seen a lot of you. One of the difficult, in short, some of you, you will go and buy in short, it's not a must you use lights. You can see my house, I can easily open the curtain and then use the window light, meaning the natural light, meaning if you don't have lights, okay, you can easily use the natural light. And if you don't have this, but I will always advise you, this is a must as a YouTuber. This is a must. Reason why this is a must is because you can't drop it on any other thing, or else it will fall down, or it will swiggle or any way. So okay, after you've done that, then you don't need to spend you don't just need expensive, no excuse as a YouTuber, just no excuse if you know you want to be making YouTube videos. And you know, as a coach, I already make videos upon videos on my channel, which can actually help you both to grow and to edit, which means as long you are willing, you don't need to spend much to kickstart your journey here on YouTube. So if you want me to talk about anything in the comment section, just let me know and I will do justice to that. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.